Hey, I wonder if me no know if I receive love or something. Or something wrong with me? Hey, yeah, Daniel, me hear you, me hear you.
The drive where you have. They can carry for right as a guy straight to spot.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. When I come off alive, me I go link you.
Alright.
Alright. Russia, big up your damn self in the chat. If me not follow no please, me I go go now follow
But me
free.
here. Yeah, me hear when you say. Guys, don't double tap for me. I mean, they say one day if me no know if I receive love. I swear to God.
I give you a follow the Obi ring. No,
Guys, double tap for me.
Island team, me don't follow already. Everybody.
I kind of cheesy, like carny. Me don't want to say it bad, but look a bit carny or cheesy. In joke them, it kind of funny but not funny. You know that type of way there? Funny but not funny. You know.
Desha, thank you.
Change the subject, quick. Yeah, what going? Big up yourself. Yeah, my girl. Thank you. Big up your birthday. I come. You buy me something.
God bless. Big up on the
Dance to me. I show them. Guys, I show them.
Yeah, I believe. When I do it a while like a Russia Queen, you get her gloves and a miss. Thank you so much, Obi Ren. Big up your damn self. Star Girl, Island Queen.
Yes, everybody, guys, thank you so much. Number 1, number 2, guys, and number 3. Thank you. Them people in the comment section I chat you, and that girl here, I tell you about that girl in my comment section. This girl right here, so she said, yo.
Tana man.
What? Oh, you get, oh God, didn't get vexed.
About?
Eh? No, me I tell you what she said. That girl that say cheesy.
Any whole family them.
Simple. It's simple.
No wrong.
Guys, me can make joke with him and he laugh. He nah go vex. Me I tell you the truth, he nah vex. That one thing, I have to have me tell you something. You see, any partner me I choose, I have to can run joke with him. I'm a type of person, me run joke with him. Ask him, I tell him say head big, I run some joke with him, and he just laugh. Me like that. If him can't run joke with me, and me and him can't have fun like that, me and him nah go roll. Me and him have to can run joke. Me and woman we just get up out of blues and just talk some thing. I mean, I mean nothing. Why don't want me with some dry relationship? Him head big right now, him forehead
Hey,
big.
listen, don't do that.
Achoo.
You know me, both of us because
But the both are with head big.
Small
So come we could gash we head together, come. We could make lighting.
But like big head and small body and my big head go lick your small head. I don't understand.
So me have to leave current gone, we can make a place light up, you don't understand? Them ready?
No, didn't hear it. I'm not ready to come out. I call lick up everything?
Seriously? See they want get come show them. Come make sparks. Come sparks. Come baby. Come now.
Right.
Stop, look here, stop going like you're afraid of the thing. Show them so we head, look there. Yeah, show them so we head big. Nothing wrong.
Bad, bruh. Bad.
Yeah, nothing wrong. Too furry though. You know it's big to do. Nah.
Come on, you got too far.
I joke. Come, I joke.
I got too far, man. Nose big, head big, nose big. I trouble that, you know? Big problem.
I joke, man. You're nice looking. Nothing wrong with you.
No,
I feel like you want to take it to art.
I know God have good eyesight and then Father God, they look on him there, man. So.
Really?
So
you feel like you're cute?
I'm not saying I'm cute.
No, I feel like you're cute.
Crocodile, I'm not cute. Baby, nice one.
I could gift to them for me chat. Take 2 I could gift to them for me chat. Who send me one wheel? Or Obi Ren send me a reel or Russia Queen send me a reel. Anyone now want to send me take it.
Guys, you're going to seven
double. Make we focus.
We not move from here, so I know. From morning we not move. Tap the screen, guys. Me I go back over, go call them. Last warning. I'm not go for them, you know. As I go for them, they reach. I not have it back, you know.
Double.
Right.
5 times 2 times. Come in, chat. Focus the man, chat. Focus, chat. Remember, chat, we are trying to reach a goal, chat. Come in, chat. We need to reach the 20K market, chat. That is it, Tracy. Child of God. We appreciate everybody we are putting. Pillar, thank you so much. Not
Well, I'm gonna know. Guys, nah, gonna know. Guys, better go to some funny double now.
Come in, guys.
Use the double, chat.
That is it. Obiren, thank you. The one in the connect, mama, thank you. Obiren, big up your damn self, you know. Come in, chat. Come in, chat.
Thank you, babies. Thank you.
Come in, chat.
Oh. Yeah, come on, go. Only one go, where they go look. Oh. I must have lunch, 12 o'clock. Hey, mine. Oh, no, I'm going to work, sir.
Those guys, we are reached today.
Guys, look at the front of
today.
No, sir, what may walk in if you load their juice? It's sand though. We don't have a problem. My problem is sand, alright. If sand, just go between your foot and a sand. Hey, certain place more than live, you know? I'm not like to you, certain place more than live. Like place all like this. Yeah, we like my live very good. But yeah, I have to do to survive. Guys, thank you so much, guys. Everybody at the top, guys. Thank you. Guys, everybody with the panel live. Guys, you see, even if you don't give for live, want to support the live by tapping on the screen, please. Guys, even if you don't give the live, want to support the live, alright? If me have the live on and not taps, me I go lock it down because it's far away where I go right now. Go for your charger, care charger. Charger, you care?
Thanks for the follow.
Ready?
Put the thing in my bag.
Russia Queen, money gun run. Come in, chat. Take a lead.
Chat, everybody, put it on.
Take a lead, chat. We'll see if we can give Mama a 6. Come in, take a lead. Fair people, them soon flying in the chat. Remember, she should just not too long. Come on. That is it, Russia Queen. Who else did it?
No, me go with
Russia Queen and Obiren they are around. Alright. And Tricia there too. Big up yourself.
And you go together? Oh, so if Jagger come in, you can come. I mean, I say come with me.
But yeah, we could go there, so that's the bad.
Oh, Mika. Tell her, pick me up out here, so. Alright, guys, thank you, guys. Everybody, double tap chat. At least we can get something done, alright? Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Watch it.
Watch my son-in-law. Them are watching, man. They're watching. Don't worry yourself, man.
Alright. Come in, chat. We need a money gun on both sides.
Hold on there.
Money gun.
Hey. One of you say, if you say can't have one, come here, my love.
Come in, chat. That is it, Russian.
Come here, chat. Show up the square.
Hey, I want a little piece and them a laugh already. Them little piece.
Annie, guys, them over Annie catch his speed.
What
Chat.
Yeah, in full of vibe. Me I tell you, say I'm shy. Wait till you get in there, look vibe. You go see. They say you're a dancer.
Let me do that good.
That good. Them like it. Man, not lying. We've got to join you next time. Guys, everybody chat. Guys, Rose, drop. Oh God, don't know like my chat. Chat, you couldn't get your speed for me?
Hold on, Russia.
2,700. Daniel, me I go back over this, and if me don't catch his speed, that means I'm enough to depend the live. Too much people can't depend the live. No.
If people them over my mother last side.
No, Daniel, me at 2,009, 2.9.
Chat no focus over any side. I you not focus, man. I you not focus. Focus.
No, but remember, say me can't see me a focus on a lot of different things, guys. Oh God, man, on help out to chat, no?
Anytime I say catch it W, just listen to me. Tell them to listen to me. People them over and you know listen to me. Wanna work together, now, man? Please. I stand so much a while ago. Russia Queen, big up your damn self, you know. Everybody will just help me out a while
thank
ago.
you, baby, guys. Everybody, guys.
Ren, every single soul. Thank you so much. Come in, triple chat.
Thank you, Charger. I want a long day today. We are going to do. I want today be fun. I want to cook. And then something there and just relax.
We can catch some rose so we can catch a rose gift.
Alright. Still have a fine time. I'm going to relax.
Rose to the next speech. Rose to the next speech.
Guys, thank you so much, guys. Guys, thank you, guys. Thank you. Guys, double tap, chat. We're going to catch his speed.
Please.
Yes, sir.
Please, may I beg on tap the screen, please.
Guys, thank you, baby. Thank you. Guys, we're catching speed.
Tap the screen.
Where we pan them to come on. Tomorrow, me I do me ear. Me don't want to do me ear. Come on, pull out the front today. You know, say honestly, me I don't want fussy person. I don't know that about me, but me ear have to do what you call it tomorrow. And guess what? Me have to do makeup because my friend them. Yo, my people they make sure say, Annie, makeup, make sure say for your birthday we have to makeup, we have to everything. Guys, use that you 4 person, four chat. Come on, chat. Them say make sure say men see makeup and everything. So guys, man, I like where do the yards? Nails, alright. Yeah, where do the nails? But me I wait for my girl. She not call me yet, chat. When my girl call me get a drop down there and go do it. Guys, use the triple. Use it. Humble.
Guys, come in. Triple.
Thank you, baby.
Triple chat. No.
Thank you, guys. Use the triple. Come on, chat. Use the triple chat. Guys, drop some on the triple.
No, we shoot, chat. No, we shoot.
Come on, baby. Come on, guys. Drop some on the triple chat.
Everybody, Teresa.
Triple chat. Triple.
Come in, chat. Triple. Focus on the
Triple chat.
Guys, triple.
Them a play no chat. Them a play chat. Oberon, thank you. Them a play chat. Play. Come in chat. One Galaxy ketchup. Don't make it run out. Bumbo clot or phone or freeze. I should get a call. Guys, focus. 8 seconds left. Come in a chat. We have to come here. We'll take up the lead back. One Galaxy ketchup. One wheel. Alright, big up on yourself. See you in your chat. No matter. Amir, thank you so much. Appreciate it, man. Let's go, chat. We still can catch up in the chat. Oberon, who else? Russian Queen, you're supposed to have one gloves in her. Jolie's supposed to have her gloves in her. Drop her gloves, chat. She'll get a call. She soon come back.
Watch it beast. Dark truth, no man. See it. Watch it, chat. Eh? Yeah. You can use the parking lot. I will use the parking. Oh, it can. Oh.
Nice, man.
Hello. Wait, we can just look around first. That's okay? All right.
I'll take you around. I'm just waiting for him to park.
Oh, okay. I like the place though.
Your first day. You want bite?
No.
Yeah, I think you do.
I would love to do.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just waiting for him.
Guys, we're done with that already. You know, in the comment section, I'm mad on myself as a top show license plate and all of that. And I'm done with that, man. You don't always make things come negative. Like literally, you don't always make things just turn out to be negative. And I can't do that. And every time people want to deal with that. Hey, Daniel?
After that one, some people say they want to get the PayPal to send something. So after this, I'm going to try to add some people in my box and make them send what they want to send to PayPal. Yeah?
Yeah, me now, yeah.
Focus, me go on.
I go come off too.
Yeah,
God no, me go do some YouTube. Yeah, me come off and do some YouTube video. Honestly, for them energy more while, me no want to panelize some my time. So me go come off and go do what me I do.
Double chat. By 2 o'clock, we want left out. Yeah.
Yeah, we're doing. We're doing with that.